is a PBS coil forming and inserting system. So we'll go ahead and walk you through the machines and we'll do a little more of a demo here. So it includes, these machines are made by Gateway, but PBS is the brand on these. So it includes an NCF, which is a new coil, new concept former, which is the machine that we're looking at now. It takes filament from a roll of just like straight material. It actually makes the coils for you. And then it'll feed it over to the coil inserter. So there's a bunch of filament for sale in the auction. There'll be a separate lot. It's like blue, clear, green, red, black, all of it. So the way this works is there is an extended table here on the left which can be put on. You want to make like 3 foot long coils. There's a control panel up here. And then there is all the different tooling back here for it. So you have 7, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 23, 25, 28, and 30 size. And then you have the larger sizes, 20, 23, 25, 28, and 30 have 2 different pitches. So the standard size for the smaller ones, 7 through 18, is 2/4-7/5 pitch. The larger ones, 20 through 30, have you can change out the pitches. Like there's a 3-to-1 23 and a 2/4-7/5. So there's 3-to-1 options in the larger sizes. I believe we have 10 in here right now. So once it makes the coils, you can just make them for your own use. If you have another coil inserter, you can just producing coils on the fly for you. But the benefit of this setup is that it's got this little conveyor down here, and when she presses the pedal on the coil inserter to my right, it'll go ahead and feed a coil onto the conveyor. Conveyor comes up. So all she has to do is drop the book in, press the foot pedal, it spins in a coil. And then it's going to cut and crimp it. So it's got another one up here now. That's foot pedal.
It wasn't on the...
Oh. There we go. So we just set this up. Cut and crimped. Go ahead and do the next one. As it drops the book in, press the foot pedal.
It's not on the thing, I'm so sorry.
No, it's all good. Unlike many machines in the shop, this wasn't in production. We just set it up for a demo. We had to get the coil. You had to get the coil length right and everything. There you go. Cut and crimp clean. Cut and crimp, new coil in spot. Now we're in a groove. But you do have to have, when you set up these jobs, you have to, kind of get your coil length figured out for your book.
You have to set up all your spindles too.
There's all your different spindles for your different coils. The
for
same.
your book to sit on to get the right pitch, so the coil will go through.
Is there different fingers as well, or is those all the same fingers at the top?
We have all the fingers for this machine.
They're all stored in the back?
Here. This is the with no spindles for small skinny books. 3-to-1, and we have another larger one which you need to replace to put it to the 3-to-1. So
Okay.
you can run the bigger books also.
Okay.
Oh, it's not lined up. Hold on.
Cut and crimped. New coils in place.
Just have to make sure it's in the right spot. Did you see? There's a pointy one. That's where the book starts. So if it goes past, you got to move your coil back.
Gotcha. So we're just essentially doing some make ready here. We're just getting this job set up. Cut and crimp nice.
Got a rough punch.
Rough punch?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's all good.